All right, everyone, so this happened. So this is a 1989 F450 Super Duty. It's got a 12-foot service body on it. The truck has 79,000 original miles, 513 rear gears with a Dana ADHD rear, 10 lug. I like this one because it has the 16-inch tires on it still, not the 17.5s or 19.5s. Hey, Coda. Yeah, this is our new service truck. A little bit smaller than what I wanted. There's going to have to do a little bit of welding on the bed. Got some soft areas. It does have a lift gate on the back. It's got a little bit of a cylinder leak, I think. So definitely have to address that. And some welding on the back there. We're just going to do new lights on it. Not going to mess around with this nonsense. And probably just go ahead and do LEDs on it. But pretty happy for the price I got this for. I basically worked out a trade on it. Back tires are basically brand new. Front tires are still good. I mean, it's not anything special. It actually was hit by lightning, so we've got some wiring issues to sort out on it, but it's not too bad. The bed box was definitely added later, because if you look up under this thing, absolutely no cab rust at all. It's one of the things that drew it to me. And then the frame is phenomenal on it. So the parking brake does work. It's got the typical ZF5. Actually, this was originally a T19 truck, 4-speed truck, and the guy swapped the ZF5 into it out of a 97 F450. So I'm not sure what the ratios are on it, but it's not too terrible. You can see the service body's still in pretty good shape. You know, typical stuff. But really excited about this one. Definitely got to address some issues under the hood. Nothing too crazy, but we brought this back from North Carolina yesterday, and I mean, it's going to be a project, but I think it's going to do everything we need it to for right now. And I was really excited about this one. So, as always, guys, thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't be surprised if this eventually gets a 4BT, but that will be after we address everything else on it and get it set up as a service truck. So, quick video today. Thank you, guys. Happy New Year. It is now 2022 and all the way.